the torque due to the force 2I plus j plus 2k about the origin acting on a particle whose position vector is I plus j plus k would be. So we have to find the torque. So we know that torque is R cross F. So calculate this cross product, that is R cross F, I j k. Now R vector is given I plus j plus k, that is 1I plus 1j plus 1k, and F is 2I plus j plus k, that is 2I plus 1j plus 2k. So now do the calculation, that is I cap 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 1 into 1, that is 2 minus 1, plus j cap 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 2 into 1, so minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, plus k cap 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So it becomes 2 minus 1 is 1, that is I cap, plus 0 j cap, 1 minus 2 minus 1 k cap, so minus k cap. So I minus k, that is the torque, I minus k. So option 3 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.